Hello, this is SPRSUN. With a concept view look, the SPRSUN self-developed controller series of SPRSUN R32 cold climate full inverter heat pumps are designed to bring comfort to people's life with hot water, heating and cooling. The features and functions equivalent to the current controller series include ELPA+++ energy rating, low noise operation, R32 refrigerant, smart control, and intelligent defrosting. Moreover, these cost-effective inverter heat pumps are highlighted with 5-inch colorful touchscreen, -30 degrees EVI low ambient temperature operation, and one-click remote software update. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.